behind every farmer's success is a tractor and the tireless work of maintaining their machines that ensures that work never stops. Whatever the job, farmers need to get it done quickly and above all, safely. Sparex has been providing farmers with the very best tools for their workshops for decades, and we picked a few of our fan favourites that you shouldn't be without. Lifting a tractor is no easy task. However, using the Pneumatic Trolley Jack from Sparex, farmers can lift up to 50 tons. Slid under the axle, the jack will lift with minimal effort. Once lifted, don't risk your life with anything other than these big red Jack's axle stands. Sparex has two stand options, the screw type and pin type, which can hold up to 20 and 15 tons respectively. A two-man job becomes a simple solo operation thanks to Sparex's wheel dolly. Clamping the wheel in ensures safe removal and transportation of any large wheel up to 1.5 tons. Clean, accurate and simple to use, Sparex's new electric grease gun gets the job done fast. Cartridges slot in and the gun automatically pumps your required grease with the flick of a trigger. Maneuvering around the workshop has never been simpler. Big red Jack seat allows swift movement all around the tractor body. With comfort at the forefront and storage space conveniently located, jobs can be completed faster with less strain. And with the big red Jack's crawler board, you can glide into place with ease. Slide under machinery with confidence, knowing that those axle stands are keeping the tractor held securely and safely. With this simple task completed properly and safely, let us remember the valuable role it plays in keeping tractors reliable. Sparex wants to ensure that farmers have all the necessary tools to carry out their work and to do so in the right way. For more information, go to sparex.com.